Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this baby right here. This is HP Envy Inspire 7224E. This printer, you can print everything, create anything. This gear right here is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, triple in one, in the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this gear. This printer is all location permanent printing gear for student work, for office work, family work, for businesses. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer. Then we are going to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using 303 ink cartridges. 303 ink cartridges. Before we do that, I want to turn this printer around. It's very light. At the back here, serial number for this printer is right here. Here is the power cable included in the packaging, 3-pin power cable. And this port is for USB cable. I'm afraid USB cable is not included. We have this cable at Vinyl store, free delivery, and this end goes to the back of your PC. And to turn this printer around, this printer is very light. Here is the scanner. Stick your document, ID card you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner and select the function from the here, okay, and open up this end, lift. Once you lift up, if you have any paper jam, this is where to check. At the back, I do get a question about paper jam, so you check for paper jam and debris at the back and gently close it back. The ink cartridges goes right here at the corner, which we are going to load. Now here is the paper tray holder. So we have the top one is for photo. We load particular photo, 5x3, 4x6, 5x7, various sizes of photo paper on top, okay. And the bottom one is for A4 paper. You load various sizes of paper and adjust it to the holder. So the bottom is for A4 paper, the top is for photo paper. Now this is the LCD screen. You turn this printer on and off from right here. This light flashing right now is Wi-Fi light button. It signifies that it's not yet connected to Wi-Fi network. Once it's connected, it will be a steady blue light on. But what I want us to do first of all is for us to load the ink cartridges. Once we've done that, I'm going to also show you step by step how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network or USB cable. Like I mentioned, we have this at Vinyl. This printer, you've got 9 months instant ink included with the packaging. You need to register with HP instantink.com. You require HP Plus account, and after 9 months, fee is applied. They will charge you fee to deliver this unless you cancel it. I'm also going to show you how to do this via the app, but I'm going to not subscribe to it because it's a tutorial, but I will encourage you, it's up to you to make that informed choice about it. The idea is the HP will send ink to your home address. Once it's running out, they will send ink to your home. You won't have to worry about ink. Okay, that's the benefit of it. So never run out of ink. You save up to 70%. Okay, and also the cloud connected printing smart system. Now this printer is using 303 ink cartridges. So for us to load this, just need to make sure the printer is on. Close this, open up this section. You can see arrow here is for you to lift up. Okay, gently lift it up. Okay, and once it's up, I also want to mention the printer part number or serial number is right here. You see this sticker right here for you to Okay, you can see HP MV. This is a serial number and also the pin in case if you need to contact HP. This is the information for this printer. Any paper jam, open up this section and check. So this is where we're going to load the ink 303, and also it will show you the black color goes to the, you can see this is the black, and also this is the black, and also this is color. Okay, so we just need to make sure the particular one that goes to where it's supposed to go. Okay, you can see first one is for color, goes here, and this is for black. So the black goes, and also you show you inside. So the black goes to the right extreme inside, and the color goes to the left. So this is what we're going to do right now. Just show you step by step how to do this so that it'll be easy for you to do this at home. So you need to make sure that you are using the correct ink 303, and also 303 extra large is compatible with this printer. Okay, so this is 303 color. Just you need to pull. Okay, then go in. You hear a click sound. It's in. You do the same thing to the black color. .303 black, pull. 303 black. Then you need to go in. You hear a click sound. Okay, it's in. Okay, if you want to remove it, just need to press. Okay, if you want to just go back in, make sure you hear a click sound, push it inside, you hear a click sound. So this is how to load the ink cartridges 303, and once you're done, you just need to gently close it so that and give the printer time to recognize the ink. Here we go. What it's doing right now is recognizing the ink we just loaded. It's beautiful. Nice printer. So this is how to load the ink cartridges. I'm going to show you on my next video. So right now it's getting ready. Now the ink is set. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, and also for us to load the paper tray, complete the alignment head, and we'll go from there. Thank you and stay blessed.